Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe, like and share the video. Hey everyone! If you've just finished your KCET exam, first of all, congratulations! You've taken a big step toward your dream course, whether it's engineering, pharmacy, agriculture, or veterinary. Now the big question is, what happens after KCET? In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you know exactly what to do next. Let's go! Step 1. Wait for provisional answer key. First, the provisional answer key will be released by KIA on their official website, setonline.karnataka.gov.in. This usually comes out within a few days after the exam. You can download the answer key for your subjects, compare it with your responses, and get an idea of your expected score. Important. KEA allows students to raise objections to any question or answer you think is wrong. You'll need to submit proper justification and references for each objection, and it's all done online, so keep an eye on the deadlines. Step 2. Result announcement. After resolving the objections, KEA will release the final answer key, followed by the KCET result. This will include your marks in each subject, your KCET rank, and if applicable, your category-wise rank. You can check your result on the official website by entering your application number and date of birth. Step 3. Document verification, most important. This is a critical step and your seat allotment depends on it. KEA will publish a rank-wise document verification schedule. You have to visit a designated helpline center assigned based on your location. Carry these original documents and photocopy, Xeroxes, with at least 2 photocopies each. KCET Admit Card, SSLC 10th Marks Card, PUC a 12th Marks Card, Study Certificates from 1st to 12th, Caste to Income Certificate, if claiming reservation, Domicile Kannada Medium Rural Quota, if applicable, Parents Study Residence Certificate, for eligibility, NCC, NSS, Sports, Ex-Servicemen Certificates, if applicable. Pro tip: keep everything in a file with labels. It avoids last-minute panic. Step 4. Option entry, choosing your college and course. Once your documents are verified, KEA gives you access to the online option entry portal. This is where you choose your preferred colleges and courses, in the exact order you want them. Here's how it works. You'll see a list of all available colleges and courses. You can arrange your preferences based on your interest, college reputation, cutoff trends, and location. You can enter unlimited options. There's no cap. The more wisely you choose, the better your chance of getting a good seat. Memo option entry is revisable until the deadline, so you can log in and change it if you change your mind. Step 5. Seat allotment, round-wise. Based on your rank, reservation, and preferences, KEA conducts multiple rounds of seat allotment. Here are your choices after each round, but it is very important for you it decides your college. I am repeating, it's very important, I am saying again and again. Choice 1. Accept the seat, pay the fee, download the allotment letter, and report to the college. Done. Choice 2. Accept the seat, but you want to try in the next round for better options. Choice 3. Not satisfied, don't accept and wait for the next round. Choice 4. Quit the process, you're not taking any seat. For accepted seats, you'll have to pay the college fee online through the KEA portal. After allotment of the college. Step 6. College reporting. Once you accept the seat and download your allotment letter, the final step is physically reporting to the college. Carry all original documents and submit them at the college for verification. Only then your admission is confirmed. Spot rounds, casual vacancy rounds, if needed. If seats remain vacant after all rounds, KEA may conduct extended or spot rounds. So, if you didn't get a seat in previous rounds, don't lose hope. Special note: for pharmacy, agriculture and other courses, This whole process applies to engineering, B.Pharm, farm science, veterinary, architecture, through NATA, and more. Each course may have slightly different eligibility or cutoffs, so check KEA notifications carefully. Important tips. Here are a few things you must remember. Keep checking kia.kar.nic.in regularly. Use a working email and phone number. KEA sends SMS updates. Don't wait till the last day for document verification or option entry. Prepare your documents in advance, especially if you are applying under any quota. Final words. So that's everything you need to know after writing KCET. From checking the answer key to final college admission, now you're fully prepared. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Pharma at RGUHS for more useful updates on pharmacy, KCET, and college life. Party Popper. All the best for your results and seat allotment. Your future starts now.